Hey there, welcome back to my channel. And in this video, I'm going to share an overview of the Secret Weapon PLR, which is a membership site that provides you with pre-made digital products that you can customize and resell to your audience. So I'm Sharita Deloach. Again, welcome back to my YouTube video. If you would subscribe to this channel, and also hit the like button as well if you love this content where we talk all things passive income for stay at home moms and wives. Now, I don't talk about all types of passive income because there are a lot out there. There's a lot of information. But here's my focus on this channel. We'll talk about writing and publishing books on KDP. We'll talk about affiliate marketing. We'll talk about becoming a UGC creator, which is a user generator content creator. I think I said that right, but I'm going to share with you my journey. How about that? Because I am just getting in that space. So I'll share with you about that. Also, passive cryptocurrency, which in platforms that I participate in, as well as digital products. So let's get into the introduction to the Secret Weapon PLR. This is the ultimate solution for pre-made digital products. Because if you are an online entrepreneur, a content creator, a marketer, stay-at-home mom, you already know we has a little bit of time, right? And when it comes to creating digital products, sometimes it's very time consuming. So, and sometimes it can be expensive, especially if you don't know what you're doing and you're creating digital products from scratch. But that this is where the Secret Weapon PLR come in, and I'm going to show you a little bit of their website so you can see if this is a great fit for you. I absolutely love it personally because it's very much time saving, it's cost effective, and they provide some amazing profitable solutions for digital products. Okay, now let me tell you a little bit about the Secret Weapon PLR. What you'll get a access to a library of digital products that you can customize to fit your niche. So these digital products are not just for a particular niche, which is what I absolutely love about this website. Okay. Now, what you do is you can take these products such as ebooks, courses, templates, graphics, and you will get all the private label rights, what we call PLR. This means you can resell them. Okay, you can resell them as your own and keep 100% of the profits. All right. Not only that, but with the Secret Weapon PLR, you can also create using lead. You can have lead magnets. You can use them for bonuses and incentives for your audience as well. Here's another great benefit that I love is the flexibility. I mean, I'm be honest, I've been using this Secret Weapon website since they launched it. So I am a part of the beginning club. Okay. So I was here when it was about 20 products in here, and now they have grown so very much. And I'm going to show you just a little bit here on the website. So you can go to secretweaponplr.com. I also have the link in the description so that you can take a look as well. So let's take a look. So we have here where you can buy. This is where I know they have updated so much, because what you can do, you can get in monthly. So I pay monthly. So I paid $27 a month to get access to all of the digital products. All right. Whether I use all of them or not, I have not fully used everything. But here's what's a trending. Okay. We have some ones that are trending, and these here. This is the 50 mental health posts. So you can buy things individually as well. So if you just want to buy the 50 mental health posts, you can for $27. Let's go back here. You can buy journals, planners. These are my favorite, absolutely favorite. The worksheets, a Lightroom presets, promo in the box. I love the promos in the box. not affiliate, affirmation cards, social media templates. Here's some other favorites. I love this journal, social media posts. There's also a masterclass bundle in there as well. They're all done for you. Products. Okay, so all you have to do is just go in there and download them. And now I make changes to mine, so we will highly suggest that you make changes, which I will go into the licensing in just a moment about PLR. Okay, but let me just click on a few of these pages for you so you can see. They have we have an email templates if you want. You have people to book a call, beta clients, new offer flash promo. So you can buy these individual for 27 bucks. Okay, not bad. You can make so much money just from buying one product. Okay, let's go through something that I have, and let's go to the worksheets too. Vision boards, swap worksheets. So if you're a coach, a consultant, you can use these as digital products to sell to your clients or sell to your audience. You can use these in your business as well. Okay, you can use these in your business for personal use because it is PLR, so you can use it for yourself. Maybe you just like, look, I want to do the productivity and priorities worksheet for myself, so I want to use them. Okay. Let's see. Here's the licensing information. And it looks like they're still updating that. But let me log into my account. Yeah, you can't see my password anyway. But here's what the back office looks like. Okay, so all of the products that are here, so I have access to all of these products here. I absolutely love, but I came back here because I want to talk about the licensing, okay, and some things that you can do when you're using the Secret Weapon PLR. We as a business are a non-transferable license. That allows you to sell and distribute the digital products in the membership. Now, here are the guidelines here. I'm not going to use I'm going to just go through, let me go through this here, okay? You can sell the digital product, so you can sell it as a digital product. You can have them available to download in your membership. So if you have a membership, you can use this content. Unlimited sales, you can generate. Sale as a printed document. So some of these planners and journals, you can sell them as printed as well. You can sell on your own website. You can share resources with your coaching clients. Now, what you cannot do, you cannot trademark any of this, any wording. You cannot sell or share as a PLR product to your own clients. All right. So that means if you have clients and let's say, for instance, you have this Google template and you share it with your client for them to buy as a product for them to use it in their business, you can't do that. Okay. You can't transfer the master resale right. So it's just basically the same thing of what I just said. Not even just your clients. You can't take this Google template and then put it on your website as a PLR product. You cannot do that. Okay. Now you can modify the content and design a digital product allowed. Okay. So you can modify. That's what I do. I modify the product. I change, most of the time I'm changing titles. I may change, the inside. I make some changes that fit my brand and my audience, and I sell as a digital product. Okay. So I just want to make this quick introduction to you guys about joining the Secret Weapon PLR membership. Definitely worth the $27 a month. I have been in maybe for about, it may have been about 3 or 4 months now, and they are adding every single month. I mean, every time I turn around, something new. Even going through this video, I saw a couple things that were new that I didn't know was in there. So listen, this is a new way, a different way, and this is also an easy way for you to create digital products. So you don't have to worry about creating them. You can go to Secret Weapon PLR, go to the website. you buy one thing and see how you like it, okay? Or get into the membership. Either way, it will work, okay? Either way, it will work. And I hope that this video helped you. I hope that you learned something from this video and you will get inside of the membership. Do not pass this up because the $27 price will probably not be the same for long, okay? It may go up. As a business owner, I would definitely make it go up. But when you get locked in, go ahead and get locked in. I have the link in my description. All right. So make sure that you subscribe to this channel. Hit the like button if you like this content. If you have any questions about the PLR, about PLR in general, please put them in the comments. I'll be happy to answer them. And that also make sure that I give you guys the best content on this YouTube channel. Okay. Well, thank you guys so much. I will see you guys in the next video.